We are running. We are live. Welcome everybody to watch Framey DIY how to make a neon-ish sign. It's actually a lit sign. Without further ado, let's go check it out. First you would need cardboard box, or we used cardboard boxes, glue, fishing line, some neon hose, and a drill. Behind on the background there's this IKEA fake green wall puzzle pieces whatsoever. We laid one cardboard box out, but it was too thin, so we decided to glue another one, similar one to it. Just put enough glue so that it holds. You will get a nice big, basically cardboard plate. The toughest part is probably the drawing or writing the text, the initial text, whatever your initial text will be. Ours was obviously hassle. You have to drill the holes in order to get the individual letters. As you can see, our letters are kind of like individuals, so they are not consistent. So you have to figure out whatever part you don't want to be visible whenever you change the letter. You have to go kind of like behind the cardboard. Gather up your or make the puzzle, put the puzzle pieces together and create your background green wall. Surprise, you will. Or we did, glue it in. So just enough glue. That's actually like a wood glue or common glue, Eddie Keeper. It doesn't matter probably which glue you use, just stronger the better. That has dried completely. Drill or make sure that the holes are going through, also going through your green wall, and make some supporting holes along the way of the letters where you can put fishing line kind of like to support the letters to be straight. It is a two-person job to get the hose all through all of those holes, and well, we are now on the back side, but on the other side you would see the letters forming up, but also to put the supporting fishing line holes. You'll see soon that they are very invisible, but you don't want your hose to start hanging around if you have like 50 centimeters way that it goes down, like we have like in H and U and S. Almost all of those are very long letters or tall letters, so you want to kind of keep them together with some fishing line. It starts to get shaped. There's a lot of leaves that you don't necessarily want to be in front of your text, not all of them at least. On behind looks pretty much like this. It's not ugly on the back side, but luckily that's not going to be visible. And what will definitely not be visible is the fishing line. So that will be a very good help. If some gardening work, landscaping, make sure which leaves you want to take out. You just clip them away, and some leaves you can put behind the letters. After which, plug it in, voila, you have your text ready. You can still do some organizing over here, but every time you're working with the LED tube, you can see the back, because obviously the LED strip has to be attached somewhere. So we ended up putting a frame to it. We did build it out of a truck pallet, so that was free, didn't cost anything, and why not use that wood? It is fairly ugly, but it works, so we don't care. Also, we used brown wood stain to finish the look, and yeah, it is on the wall now here in our photography studio, Framey Studio, and you can get good shots just by using that only. Here's a couple shots, but that doesn't really have any other lighting. Thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you next time if we ever make another video. Peace.